Professor, do you know the quick, brown fox jumped over the lazy dog? Has every alphabet from A to Z.
Oh yes, but how did you come to know about this?
Yesterday I was going through various phrases in grammar book. This sentence was written down in the noun phrase and I noticed it.
Good. So what have you learned yesterday while referring phrases?
I revised the verb phrases which you have taught in the previous lectures.
Okay. Did you learn anything new?
Yes, I tried to, but it was quite difficult.
What was the topic which you tried to learn?
Noun phrase.
Oh my dear, don't worry. Today we will learn noun phrase.
Whoopee.
Let's begin. What are phrases? Does anyone remember?
Phrases are a group of words that work together to communicate an element of speech. They are very important because they allow us to communicate better through both written and spoken language.
Excellent. Let's look forward for noun phrases. A noun phrase does the work of a noun. It may be the subject or the object of a transitive verb.
For example,
I like singing in the bath. I know the back streets. I've met the last remaining chief. Compare the three examples above to these. I like it. I know them. I've met him. In these three examples, the words in bold are all pronouns. The ability to replace the noun phrases in the first three examples with a pronoun proves that the shaded texts are functioning as nouns, making them noun phrases. Like any noun, a noun phrase can be a subject, an object, or a complement. Did you understood?
yes, Professor.
Now shall we start with the rapid-fire round?
Yes, Professor.
Identify the noun clauses in the following sentences. 1. I hope to win the first prize. 2. I tried to solve the puzzle. 3. Did you enjoy reading this book? 4. The boy wants to go home. 5. Horses prefer living in dark stables. 6. The accused refused to answer the question. 7. The boy denied stealing the money. 8. To write such rubbish is disgraceful. 9. I dislike having to punish my kids. 10. I will hate to do such a thing. 'Now let's look for the answers. 1. I hope to win the first prize. Noun phrase, to win the first prize. It acts as the object of the verb hope. Two. I tried to solve the puzzle. Noun phrase, to solve the puzzle. It acts as the object of the verb tried. Three. Did you enjoy reading this book? Noun phrase, reading this book. It acts as the object of the verb enjoy. Four. The boy wants to go home. Noun phrase, to go home. It acts as the object of the verb wants. 5. Horses prefer living in dark stables. Noun phrase, living in dark stables. It acts as the object of the verb prefer. Six. The accused refused to answer the question. Noun phrase, to answer the question. It acts as the object of the verb refused. Seven. The boy denied stealing the money. Noun phrase, stealing the money. It acts as the object of the verb denied. Eight. To write such rubbish is disgraceful. Noun phrase, to write such rubbish. It acts as the subject of the verb is. Nine. I dislike having to punish my kids. Noun phrase, having to punish my kids. It acts as the object of the verb dislike. Ten. I will hate to do such a thing. Noun phrase, to do such a thing. It acts as the object of the verb hate.